Hi guys, this is Saurav. In this video, we will learn how we can design Instagram story using Designhill.com. So Designhill.com is a free tool to create designs. So in this video, we will design Instagram story. So first we need to sign up into this platform. So you just need to click on join button here in the right side corner, and then you can sign up with your Google account. Okay, after sign up, you can see that's the dashboard of our platform. Now, you can see the explore option, dashboard, category, my order, and get started now. So you can see the get started now, and you can see the studio option. So we just need to click on this platform studio, and you can see try for free. So just click on it. Now scroll down and you can see there are a lot of designs: Instagram post, poster, Instagram story, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook cover. So let's design the Instagram story. So we just need to click on this Instagram story, and you can see there are a lot of free templates. Okay, you can choose any one. So let me choose one here. Let's select this one. Okay, and you can see this one Instagram story. So let me change this story. Okay, so I'm to do one thing. I'm to delete this one. Okay, this one image, and then click on this photo option. There are a lot of free images. You can use all these images here. So let me just search here. So okay, and you can see that one image. So just click on this image and make it here. Okay, now click on this element option. Okay, and you can see that one is rectangle. Just click on the shape. Here you can see there are a lot of shapes. You can use all of them. So I'm just going to use this one. Okay, just click on it and make this one longer like this. Okay, and then you can see position here. Okay, just click on it and you can see backwards. So just click on like this, and then click on this color box. You can see, and we need to change this color to similar this document. Okay, so what I'm to do here, I'm to just match this color like this. Fine, great. Now click on this again, this rectangle, and you can see position and make sure this should be go back again, and you can see that one is our text. Let me change this text color to white. So change this color, spring filling cell, and up to 50% discount. So let's change this one text also, color to white. Okay, and I'm to change this text to up to 50% off. Right? Great. Now let's design one more thing here. You can see the element option, and let's drag and drop one circle here. Just click on this circle and make it smaller like this. Scroll down here and then select this one arrow and make this one is also small, and rotate this circle like this, and then make it more smaller, and then drag and drop onto this circle, right, like this. And then now you can change this color of the circle or arrow. So I'm going to change this arrow color to red. Okay, and then I'm to change this circle color also to be red like this. Okay, now you can see here untitled option. Rename your image like offer offer image something, and then you just need to download this image. So click on this download button and you can see the file type. You can select PNG, JPG or PDF. So PNG is preferable. So just select PNG and then click on download. It will take some seconds to download your image. So we can see that's one your Instagram story post, right? So that's all about it. If you have some doubt, you can ask me on comment, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.